Hi, so this is a shop agreement I want to sign. So how I can do that? You can see I am just uploading the documents agreement. Okay, uploaded. Now it is asking me to add owner's mail ID, so I have added. I am the tenant. Okay, so the owner is the opposite party. Now he should be the signer, and if it is in case approver, then you can select approver. In case of attorney's approval you need, then you can add. So then if you want to add attorneys, then 3 parties will be there, otherwise mainly 2 parties. Okay, as simple as it is, tenant and owner. Okay, you can use, it's the same thing for residential agreement also, but then in this case it is a shop agreement. Okay, rental lease agreement. So now this is very important part over here. You have 2 segments. Okay, one is basically this me filling out. Okay, and another option you have, which is owner. Okay, these 2 are very important. So for you, if you want to do the signature, make sure you select this me filling out option first. Okay, then you tap on this option called my signature. Okay, this button over here, you tap on it. So this is your signature. Okay, now you click on this option called add new signature. Okay, so you have this option over here called add new signature, this button over here. Okay, you tap on it, then you'll be able to sign. So here you can type your full name. Okay, you can type, or else what you can do, you can draw also. Okay, so and you have lots of signature style. So for example, this option you need this style. Okay, so you can simply select and sign. That much, done. Now if you want to draw, so I want to delete it, then again sign, and next you have this draw your signature option. Okay, instead of type you can draw with mouse. Okay, so draw, and here you can draw it, means however you want you can draw in this way. Done. So sign, you can see sign uploaded. Next, text, means full name you should add, so you can increase. So you type. Okay, because this is the name over here, text. Next you have this option called date. Okay, so today is 13th March, but I want it to be executed on 15th, day after tomorrow. Now you can see whenever I am moving that cursor, mouse cursor, the date, again the date is coming. You can see even if I delete it is coming. So to get rid of this issue, simply you click or tap again on the same element left hand side. So now if I bring the mouse over here, the elements are not coming. So I hope you understood the concept. If you want to delete, you can edit, you can edit it, you can delete it. Okay, in this way. So this is tenant part, means your part is done. Next, owner part. So to do, you simply tap this owner section over here. Okay, so let me tap on this. So now you should leave owner signature. So this is owner signature. Done. Simply drag and drop. Okay, next, text, means owner name and date and time. Date and time. Done. So once this is done, you come to this top right corner, you will find continue option over here. Okay, so this option you will have continue. Okay, so you should tap on this continue, so that the document will be sent to owner mail ID, as simple as it is. So this much for today. You create this account over here, just sign up for free, The link will be there in the description. Please like and subscribe this video. Wish you all the best. Take care, and I hope the agreement signing will be smooth for you. Please comment your valuable feedback. Take care. Bye bye.